Yes, yes.
First is Stephen Covey, the late Stephen Covey. So, Seven
Oh,
Habits of Highly Effective People.
okay.
Talagang when I read that, na-open up yung mind ko na don't be proactive, mga ganon. And next is Anthony Robbins, so Awaken the Giant. And there's this one thing na tinuro niya doon sa book na yon. I
Oh,
read that more than 10 years ago. Hanggang ngayon naalala ko pa.
ano
And I'm
yun?
sharing that with my
Yeah.
students.
Oh,
Hindi ko
ano
na
yun?
alam yung tawag,
Oo,
pero whenever you're in doubt, mag-isip ka ng table, ikaw yung table na walang paa. So for example, iniisip mo, or kuwari, you're going to give a talk. Tapos iniisip mo, baka hindi ko kaya. Baka hindi ko kaya mag-talk. So mag-isip ka ng proof kung bakit magaling ka mag-talk. So for example,
oh, okay, okay.
ayun, di ba? So, parang yung evidence na magaling ka.
Oo,
So, sinabi ng teacher ko, magaling ako mag-talk. So, yun, isang paan na yun. Pangalawa is, lagi naman akong kinukuha na mag-talk about this particular topic.
oo,
Pangalawang ano na yun, paa. And then, hanggang ma-build mo yung yung four na paa ng table. And right now, I call that your confidence table.